Amazon stock 61, again the dollar is falling huge, 15% already with the euro. What does this mean? And the Fed printing and asking to print more money like if there is no yesterday. So what does this mean too? Number one, the cost of the headquarters and all the American Amazon cost, 1.5 million workers, let's say it is 1.1. We could be 15% more competitive, sorry, that's huge, number one. Number two, perhaps Europe, it will be 15% more expensive, and then we have an issue. Or also the revenue is in euros, so it will not really have an effect. But again, as our maestro used to say, perhaps it is the time when others print money, when others do this, when others do that. Invest in yourself, dear Amazon shares buyout. Invest, train yourself. When others have inflation, when there is this and that issues and the war and all this, then invest in yourself. No one can take this from you, big maestro told us. So shares of Amazon, go and buy them out. Why? Because now these shares are cheap and they will be cheaper. So keep buying, keep buy out, buy out, buy out. How many? Well, others are also investing in Bitcoin. Why? Because it's a store of value and the shares are going up. Anyway, I believe it's time to face it because many companies are doing it. We are doing it here. Others buy MicroStrategy, others do it themselves. But one way or another, we just must all row together because what others do, it really has no effect. If you invest in yourself, you keep yourself competitive advantages, buy out shares to invest Bitcoin. So, thank you. Bye, and remember, this is just an investor's point of view. If you do invest in Amazon, it's at your own risk. Thank you.